Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For our first DIY, I'll be starting off with these foam board cutouts from a previous DIY. And right here, I'm just using a lid to trace out a smaller circle on the inside of the foam board. Next, I'll be using this blank strip from Amazon, and I'm just going to be cutting it into strips and applying it to the ends of the foam board. These diamond base filler are from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue them to the edge of the floor foam. Now that I have the first layer done, I'm just going to stack and repeat the same process. Now that I have this all done, I'm going to be adding a lid. And guys, this is just a piece that I had left over from another project. But all this is two foam board pieces glued together with some of that Amazon bling strips wrapped around it. So yeah guys, I'm just going to add a pitch light from Dollar Tree. And yeah, here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? For my next DIY, I'll be using this plastic Dollar Tree bowl, and I'm just going to be painting it with just some matte black craft paint. Next, I'll be using my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to make some random lines on the bottom portion of the project. This imitation silver leaf is from Amazon, and I'll be using it over the hot glue that we just laid down. This fishbowl can be found at Dollar Tree. And again, I'll be using this bling strip from Amazon. I decided to add this diamond blue black bling strip from Amazon. And here's what they look like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll be back on Thursday at 6 p.m. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you'll never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.